Hi, it's almost Mother's Day, and I found this really cute story for us to read. Biscuit loves Mother's Day. It's written by Alyssa Satin Cappuccilli, and the pictures were drawn by Pat Shores. While we read the story, I'm going to be modeling language on the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software. So the name of our story is Biscuit Loves Mother's Day. Come along, Biscuit. Today is Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is a great day to show Mom how much we care. Woof, woof. So she said Mother's Day is a great day to show Mom. So let's do show.
Show.
Mom. How much.
How much.
We. Care.
Care. Show Mom how much we care.
This picture will be a perfect present for Mom, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Wait, Biscuit. Uh-oh. Look. They were sitting on the chair and now they're getting up and she says,
Wait.
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 She said, you need to hold still for just a bit longer. She wants them to come back.
Back. Come back.
Come back. I'm not finished. There are lots of ways to celebrate Mother's Day, Biscuit. Today we'll surprise Mom with breakfast in bed. Chocolate chip pancakes are her favorite. So they are going to surprise Mom with breakfast.
Breakfast. Surprise Mom with breakfast.
Breakfast in bed.
In bed. Surprise Mom with breakfast in bed.
Have you ever had breakfast in bed? I don't think I ever have. Biscuit says, woof, woof. Funny puppy, you can carry the morning paper. Woof, she said.
You can carry it. You can carry it.
You can carry it. He's going to bring Mom the paper. Mom loves to garden, Biscuit. We can help with the planting and the watering. Woof, woof. So she said we can help Mom.
Mom. We can help Mom.
We can help Mom. You want to help Mom with the digging too? Woof! So Biscuit is digging.
He is digging.
He's digging. I wonder what Mom will plant in that hole. The sun is shining. There's hardly a cloud in the sky. It's a wonderful day for a bicycle ride. Woof, woof. Biscuit, where are you going? She asked.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Where are you going? Oh, Biscuit wants to go too. Sweet puppy, Mom's basket is just the right size for you, so Biscuit can ride too.
He can ride too. He can ride too.
He doesn't want to be left out. Here, Biscuit, it's time for Dad to set up the picnic blanket. Woof, woof, Biscuit says. So a picnic is when you eat outside.
Eat outside. Eat outside.
Usually you sit on the ground too. And it's time for us to give Mom her Mother's Day crown. Woof! She's going to put it on Mom.
Put it on Mom. Put it on Mom.
I wonder who made that pretty crown. Look, even the ducks are celebrating Mother's Day. Quack, quack, woof, woof. I see a mom and her babies.
I see Mom
And
her
babies.
Babies. I see Mom and her babies.
Silly puppy, not a big shake. Woof. Oh no, look, Biscuit was all wet. He must have been playing in the water. There's nothing better than spending the day with Mom, is there, Biscuit? Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We love you. Woof. So she said, we love you,
you,
Mom.
Mom. We love you, Mom.
We love you, Mom. What do you like to do on Mother's Day to celebrate? I hope you have fun.